Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to two devices called a multi-point connection, then how to factory reset these. So first we're going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S25, and then after that we'll connect to my iPhone 16e. So let's connect to this Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so the buds are in the case. Let's open these up. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these is blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, you can see that they're both blinking blue, blue, blue. So it's already in pairing mode, so I don't have to do anything. So now if you're on an Android phone, you may get this little pop-up here, and if you do, you can connect that way. Or if not, no big deal. You can just go directly to your settings, go to connections, at least on this phone, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now under, you see a little spinny thing up there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here under available devices. Okay, so these are still in the pairing mode, it's blinking blue on both of them. The Endurance Peak 4 showed up here, let's tap on that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request, tap on pair, and we're connected and ready to go, okay? So now we're connected to this, this phone here, all right? Let's go ahead and put these back in here. And now let's say, hey, why don't we go ahead and connect to another device? It could be at your TV or one of your computers. In my case, I'm going to connect to my iPhone now. So now the buds are in a case. Let's open these up now. Now remember when we opened up the case originally to connect that Samsung Galaxy S25, it was blinking blue, 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 blue because it was in pairing mode. But now it's not going to blink blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get like a solid blue light, and then it just turns off. The reason is because I'm connected to this phone here. So what do I have to do? Well, I can go ahead and manually put these into pairing mode. And then once I connect to here, I'll actually be connected to both phones, okay? If I connect to this phone now, I can watch YouTube and listen to it through the earbuds. And then if I turn the phone off and I go back to my Android phone and I watch YouTube, listen to music, I'll be able to hear it through the buds as well again. So how do I connect here? How do I put this in pairing mode? Now, how to put these in pairing mode, you just have to take out both the earbuds, and it doesn't matter if you use the right one or the left one. Only thing you got to do is, you see the JBL logo? It's a touchpad there. So what you want to do is this, ready? You want to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing or until both of the lights here start blinking blue. Okay, I'm not going to put it in my ear. I'm just going to hold it just like this, and I'm going to see if I can do it my first time, okay? We'll put it in pairing mode. Ready? Tap, tap, and hold. Now I'm holding for like 7 or 8 seconds. Just wait. Okay, I don't think I did it. Let's do it again. Ready? Tap, tap, and hold. Let's see if that does anything. Hey, what do you know? Now look, both of them are blinking blue. It's back into pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to my iPhone here, and let's connect to this one too now. Let's see here. Let's go to settings. And then from settings, you just go directly to your Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to scroll down. Under other devices, that little spinning thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it did find the Endurance Peak 4 there. Let's tap on that. With iPhones, you will now get a pairing request. It will automatically connect, and voila. So now if I watch YouTube or listen to music, it's going to come out of here. Now if I go to this phone here, and I bring up YouTube or whatever, audio's going to come out of here as well. Now let's do this. Why don't we go ahead and factory reset these earbuds, okay? You want to do a factory reset if you have issues where connecting or pairing problems, or it keeps disconnecting, or maybe it's out of sync, or maybe one side's not working, and so on. So we're going to factory reset these, okay? We're going to go ahead and first let's go ahead and put them back into the case here. I'm going to close the lid. Now I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to put them both down here. Now remember, when we put it manually into pairing mode, it was tap and tap and hold. For the factory reset, it's the same thing. You just grab one of the earbuds, and it's going to be tap, 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 and hold, okay? So there's 2 taps instead of 1. So tap, tap, and then tap and hold. All right, so we're going to do it together. Now, the only thing is this time when I do it, it's better if I have it in my ear, because then I can tap, 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 and hold, and I'll be here. I can, if I put it in my ear, I can hear the bud saying that it's turning off. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put these in my ear, because we have to manually get these to turn off. Okay, so the JBL logo there, I'm going to do it right. My hand right here. Ready? Tap. Oh, let me do it again. Ready? Tap, 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 and hold. Keep holding now. If it goes into pairing mode, then obviously we did it wrong. I'm still holding here. Okay, I think I did it wrong. We're gonna do it again. Okay, ready? Tap, tap, tap and hold. Now I'm holding. Come on, I'm still holding here. Waiting for it to say turning off. It didn't work. Okay, let me try the tap faster again. Okay, ready? Tap, tap, tap and hold. I'm holding again. Oh, it just said power off. Finally, it took us 3 tries. Okay, now it said power off. Now what we're gonna do is this. Put them back in here. Just close the lid. Just give it a few seconds. Now open it up. Now it should automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, it should start blinking blue, 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 blue. You may have to wait a while. But anyways, there you go. The factory reset is done. Now, just remember, remember we were connected to both these phones. So if I wanted to connect back to this phone here, it's in pairing mode now. See, if I go to settings, I go to Bluetooth, it's not going to show up down here because remember I was connected over here before. Okay, so I have to do the JBLs. I have to click on information and I have to forget this device. If you're on the Android phone, it'd be like on pair. If you're on a TV, some might say delete or remove, but I had to forget it totally, remove it, and now it's spinning again. It's still in the pairing mode and it should be able to come up here, but let me just turn off Bluetooth and let me just turn it back on to rescan. And let's see. Hey, what do you know? There you go. Now I can connect back to this phone. Same thing with the Android phone. If I want to connect this one, I had to delete off the pairing list first, and then I'll be able to pair back to it. Anyway, pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.